Hi guys, it's Madison Sarah and this is my go-to glam with Pretty Little Thing. I've already got my base foundation down. I'm going to move on to eyes first. So I'm going to use the NYX HD Studio Concealer and I'm just going to use this to prep my eyes. So I never used to put an eye base down. Big mistake. The colour just comes out so much more vibrant and the eyeshadow stays on so much longer. So people put a base down. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use a Morphe palette and I'm going to start with Rock Out, which is this kind of caramelly colour, I would say. So I'm just picking up that colour again and taking that underneath the eye. The next colour I'm going to use is Stone Fox. This one is a little bit more of a orangey brown. I'm going to take that on another blending brush. This one's a little bit skinnier and I'm going to focus this into the crease of the eye. So really push the brush into the crease. For my lid colour, I'm going to use Fool's Gold. This is such a beautiful shade. So I'm going to press that onto my eye with my finger just because I feel like the pigment will stand out a little bit more. I did makeup at college and my tutor said your fingers are your best tools. Oh, she's looking cute. Next, I'm going to take Chocolate Diamond. Love that name. And then this is just going to go in the outer V. So I'm just going to pick up Chocolate Diamond again. I'm using that on an angled brush. Just create like a really smoky winged liner. It makes it so much easier to put eyelashes onto as well. Is it Madison Sarah if I don't use eyelashes? Then I'm going to try and mimic this on the other side. This is the bane of my life. I don't go too heavy. I feel like less is more at the minute. I used to be smoky. I used to be like blacks and purples and that kind of vibe. Whereas now I feel like I'm a bit more natural glam. And that is pretty much it for eyeshadow. So I'm going to move on to lashes, my favourite step ever. So for lashes, I'm using Pretty Little Thing Marnie lashes. I'm so excited to try these. I've never tried them before, but they look right up my streets. So the eyelashes are down. This is pretty much the eyes finished. I'm just going to go ahead with a brown eyeliner and pop this in my waterline. I feel like it makes my eyes look a little bit smokier, a little bit sexier. It just kind of blends nicely with the eyeshadow. So I've already got my foundation and concealer down. So next step for me is bronzer. So I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer. This one is such a perfect shade for bronze. Love it. I'm just going to grab a big fluffy brush and just start to bronze up. So I just go along the cheekbones, along the temples as well, and then always under my jaw. So for highlight and blush, I'm going to use one product just because this is a little bit pinky already. So this is the Doll Beauty highlighter and this is Pretty Little Glow. I'm going to start off on the apples of my cheeks and then just kind of pull it back. Ooh, she glowy. I like a really glowy look, so this pretty much goes everywhere. So before I move on with lips, I'm just going to pop a coat of mascara on. This one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Bottom Lash Mascara. Just makes your eyes look like doll eyes and I'm living for it. So for lips, we have a lip kit. This one is by Sosu. This is So Kiss Me in the shade Birthday Suit. Now this comes with a lipstick and liner, which is always handy. So I'm going to go in with the liner first. And I slightly overline my lips. And then I'm just going to fill in my lips a little bit with that pencil just because I feel like it makes the lipstick last a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to go in with the lipstick. So my favourite tip for a go-to glam is if you don't want to wear a gloss, because I feel like glosses wear off quite easily, I always grab a shimmery eyeshadow and just pop that in the centre of the lips. And it just kind of gives the effect of a gloss without it being a gloss, and it lasts way longer. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching my go-to glam with Pretty Little Thing.